Hello and welcome back. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. We're going dam busting. Yes, the Lancaster Bomber. Let's get straight to this. And I've got 37 at the ready for you to see. So let's go to that. Right there, 37. Starboard engine nacelles. Okay, nacelles, whatever you want to call them. And we're putting in little things in there and we're putting them together. They're asking us not to glue these in because we might want to change things on that. And we're putting them together and putting, those are very little to do here, but we'll be through that quickly. So let's see what the dam busters do. This is a little bit of a Lancaster KB889. I don't know if that was a Canadian built Lancaster. Is now prestigious part of the Air Force collection of the Imperial War Museum in Duxford. Wow. One of the people with the Lancaster. Let's go straight into the building. As I said, that I don't think there was a lot to do, but that's fine. Get the big one out first. Well, that isn't too good. I broke the two pins. What I'm going to do is I put a little bit of glue in there and see if that keeps it all together. But I put it in from underneath, so I hope it will stay. Because these pins came out straight away. Pity, but I can't do anything about it. Alright, then we turn it around and put that little thing. We did that earlier as well. Put that on. And we're not doing anything with that at the moment, so I'm going to put that away. I may put a little bit of my favorite glue on that when I tack it down. And we're going to get that one out. Because if we're holding it like so, we've got a point to put something on here. The lower of the two. See, that's where you have to be really careful. Let's put that on a little bit of oil so it goes through easier. Wowzers. Why did we not put that on earlier? Finally got it in. Alright, it's in there. As you can see, I had to push it here. There's a D-shaped hole on the other side to put it together, and then this just goes there. I don't know. This just, sorry, we pushed it in. There's a D-shaped hole on the other side. We take the lower opening and then push it in, and that goes like that. There we go. And that's all we do in this stage. So this was a pretty darn quick stage. And we got a very clear message not to glue anything, as you can see right there, because we're having to test everything coming together as well, and we don't want to stuff it up and not get everything together. So we put that onto that side, then we're going to put this one on this side. We're almost there, and this is not coming together. There we go. It's in. Oh, that's in neatly together. Look at that, guys. Wow. All right, then no screws. Oh, there is. We want that. Let's see. We are going to put a BP in there, and that's all. Now we're going to turn it around a bit. And on this side, I think 37D, we're going to put this thing, big pin, small pinhole. So we're just pushing it in. We're not putting any glue on these parts. We're going to the other side, big pin, small hole, big hole. Just pushing it on, guys, nothing else. Then we're taking that one, and that one is on as well. In the back here, we put that one on, and we put that one on. So that one, and that little thing in the back. And then This goes on to the front here. So that goes there. It's not neatly in there, but we'll be doing something with that later on. And there you go. Both of them are in as well. And that is it. So let's turn this thing upside down, because that's the best way it stands. That's what we have. And let me just show you that the engine turns. We put it in J1. You can't see it, but I can. There we go. You heard that. It's turning, and that is what we have to show for. So, finish. Not doing anything with those. I thought we did, but that's for the different one. Thank you very much for watching me again. This was stages 35 to 37 in total. The second video I just did is 37 and 38, so I hope you will join me next time when I do some more on the Lancaster. I fixed that engine that I have lying around, the parts I have lying around, so to do that properly. And I've got some more in the background, as you see. I've moved the tumbler down. You can't see at the moment, but right there, that's where the tumbler is. And there's a lot more on my channel, so have a look at that, and hope you will join me next time. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and join me that next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.